Find the value of this particular expression when x plus y is minus 4. So we have to relate it to some kind of identity that is there. So we have been given sum of two variables to be equal to minus 4. The question is, what is x cube plus y cube minus 12xy plus 64 is equal to what? It is related to some identity. What identity are we looking at? Yes, clearly it is to do with cubes. That's correct. So it's either this or this. Clearly not this. Yes, I can go with this or this. To be frank, this would be better. This would be, well, doable, but it won't be the right one. So yes, this is the one. So I'm going to go with x plus y the whole cube, which is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Okay, guys. So actually, is it minus or plus? If it's confusing, just look at this. Just look at this. It has to be plus, right? So the identity, okay, let me start with the working. So the identity that we are using over here is, the ID is a plus b the whole cube, which is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So here we have x plus y is equal to negative 4, is it not? So we are going to take up x plus y, which is equal to minus 4. How can we make use of all of this? I'll cube both the sides, right? Cubing both sides. Why? I want to relate it to this formula. So to relate to that formula, obviously I have to cube it, is it not? Because we have cubes over here. So both the sides I have to cube it. So this will be cube of this and so on and so forth. Actually, I need to write the steps. So this would be x plus y the whole cube is equal to minus 4 the whole cube. Okay. Now let's expand this. So this would be x cube plus y cube plus what? 3xy into x plus y is equal to minus 4 the whole cube is minus 64. And now we have this particular expression and we have this. What can we do with this? Well, can you think what can we do? See, let us do one kiddish thing. That is, let's cancel what is there in common. That is, this and this is common, this and this is common, right? We have 64 on the left hand side and it's positive. We have 64 on the right hand side and it's negative. We can transpose that and this will become positive. So this and this is there. Somehow we have to relate this and this. Okay. We have xy, that's good. This is minus 12 and this is 3. So how can we get, and there is x plus y also. So basically we are ended with this and this being equated to minus 12. How can we relate all of this? Think. Again, go back to the given, right? So what is that we are looking at? We are looking at 3xy into x plus y to be converted to minus 12xy. So we can just do that by substituting 1. Okay. So let me erase all of this. So this is how you think of a question. First start with the obvious. It's related to a plus b the whole cube. Write whatever you can and then move across. Then substitute and do this, do that. You'll be able to figure out the answer. X cube plus y cube plus 3xy minus 4 is equal to 64. Or I can transpose this and tell plus 64 is equal to 0. And yes, at last we have, actually I need not write the previous step. I can directly write this plus 64 is equal to 0. Okay, this is not required. Okay, therefore the solution is 0 itself. Find the value of, and the value is 0. Done. Right guys, again, I didn't know how to go about doing this. It's obviously not that clear. right? I got confused. Why is this 64 there, and what is all of this doing, and so on and so forth. All I did was took up the expression which I knew for sure it's relating, right? So a plus b the whole cube. Then I went across cubing and all of that, and then I got a point wherein I had similar looking expressions, but there was one expression which was not so similar. So I try to take it into different parts. Okay, xy is there, minus 12 has to be related to 3x plus y. So the only way possible for plus 3x plus y to be related to minus 12 is if x plus y was minus 4, which it is, and I substituted that and I got the answer. Right guys, that's it.